Welcome to English class. We are going to study reported speech imperative sentences today. Reported speech imperatives differ in structure to other reported speech sentences. So, imperative sentences are like commands, keep quiet, requests, please close the window, advise, go and lie down, suggestions, take the test next year instead. This is the structure that we use while reporting the speech that is given in the double quotes or in the direct speech imperatives. So, whenever we change it into reported speech, then we use a structure like this: reporting verb, for example, asked, told, and ordered, requested, like that. Then we use noun or pronoun as the object, and to infinitive, like she asked me to come later. Here are some further examples using the imperative sentences above, showing them in direct speech and indirect speech. Like if we say in direct speech, she said, keep quiet. Another is, the teacher said, please close the window. He told her, go and lie down. She said, take the test next year instead. So if we change them into reported speech, the first will be changed like this: she instructed me to keep quiet. Or if the teacher is there, she ordered me to keep quiet. The teacher asked me to close the window. He told her to go and lie down. She advised them to take the test next year instead. So, reporting verbs for imperatives, as we have told. In normal reported speech, the common reporting verbs are said, told. For instance, she was tired. She said that she was tired. He told me that I should go tomorrow, or I should come tomorrow, like that. So such type of the examples are there. There we can use that also. There are many more, however, that are used with reported speech imperatives. Some are for orders, while others are for polite requests. So advise, urge, ask, remind, request, beg, suggest, orders, tells, instruct, command, forbid, demand, insist. So these are the different reporting verbs which can be used in the imperative sentences, in which some commands are given, requests are there, suggestions, instructions are there. Then we change them by using these reporting verbs and to infinitive. Here are some more examples of reported speech imperatives using these verbs, like polite requests. My doctor advised me to sleep more. The government urged the people to use less water. She asked me to join her on a holiday. They reminded us to put our seat belts on. He requests the guests to vacate their rooms. He begs her to stay. So these are the polite requests you can see, and how they have been changed into reported speech. Like reporting verb is advised, urged, asked, reminded, requested, and after that noun or pronoun is used, and to, it's followed by to infinitive. He begs her to stay. Orders. John told his brother to change direction. My boss orders me to work harder. She instructed them to learn the alphabet. The general commanded his soldiers to obey him, or obey. The sign forbade them to enter. So sign, forbidden sign, the signs which are means hoardings in which it has been written. So entry is forbidden, like that. The sign forbade them to forbade them to enter. Suggest, demand, insist, as these are the reporting verbs or reported verbs used in the imperative sentences. Suggest, demand, insist. So they can be used as reported verb for imperatives. However, they do not follow the same pattern as above. That is because the structure for using them is as follows: suggest, demand, insist, plus that, plus someone, and then that, and the tense will change according to the rules and regulations of reported speech. So this is how reported speech with these verbs will look like. She said, study harder to pass your test. She suggested that I study harder to pass my test. If the direct speech is like that, he said, take a taxi home. So another reported speech, if we change it into reported speech, he insisted that we take a taxi home. You can't say, she suggested me to study harder. So in this way you can't say, these are wrong. She suggested me to study harder. No, because we are using that and then subject and then the main verb that was used to give some suggestion. So he insisted us to take a taxi. No. So to is not used in these imperative sentences. Negative imperatives in reported speech, you can see when we want to make an imperative reported speech sentence, we simply add in not before the to, like not to. So infinitive, to is the infinitive here. Negative imperatives in reported speech, you can see structure is reporting verb plus noun plus not plus to infinitive. Example, she advised me not to come late. Here are some examples of direct speech changed into indirect speech using negative imperatives. So you can see the examples. If you see the direct speech, she said, don't keep talking. Please don't study too hard, the teacher said. He told her, don't wait up for me. The doctor said, don't overeat. So these are the different direct speeches of imperative sentences which are in negative form. And how to change them into the indirect speech? You can see she instructed us not to keep talking. The teacher asked them not to study hard. He urged me not to wait up for him. The doctor advised me not to overtake. Okay, so this is all about imperative sentences, how they are being changed into the indirect speech or how they are reported. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.